Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by naming the single goal for this deck and sticking to it. This prevents scope creep. Once done, set slide size to 16, 9 and plan 10-12 slides for a 30-45 minute talk so pacing is predictable. Next, pick one font family and 2 accent colors to ensure visual cohesion. Use a single hero image per section to establish tone. These first move speed design and make every subsequent choice purposeful, saving redesign time later. You now construct the meat of the presentation with consistent templates. Start with title, content, and section break masters so adding slides is fast and uniform. Then apply a simple grid, about 80/20 whitespace proportion, and align elements to an 8px rhythm to increase readability and visual harmony. Once templates are set, replace placeholder charts with clean PNGs or SVGs at 72/150 dpi so they render crisply across machines. Make sure to label axes and call out the key insight on each data slide. You finish by polishing transitions and rehearsing with slide timings. Export a PDF copy as a fallback so display issues won't derail you. Once done, compress videos and large media aiming for 5-10 MB per clip to avoid playback hiccups. Before you present, verify fonts are embedded and test every hyperlink and video on a secondary device. If something breaks, open the PDF backup, replace offending media with images, and keep going. Audiences care more about clarity than perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.